Now let's look at cosine similarity for some OpenAI embedding vectors. So we're going to use NumPy to compute the cosine similarity. And then we have these sentences to compare here. So we're basically going to compare this sentence against itself, against a similar sentence, and against a completely dissimilar sentence. So let's go ahead and run this and check out the results. So when we compare things that are the same, we get a cosine similarity of 1. And that is what we'd expect. They're very, very similar. When we compare two similar sentences, we get a score of 0.91. So that's interesting, and that helps us see how similar, what the score is like for two things that are very similar. And then when we compare this sentence to something that's complete nonsense, we have a score of 0.74. So this is really interesting. Basically, with using OpenAI embeddings, you'll generally see a range of similarity between 0.74 and 0.9-ish. You don't usually see that much lower, and you don't usually see that much higher, unless of course it is exactly the same. Now this is going to vary a lot per embedding model, but this is what you'll generally see with the ADA 002 model.